Hello and welcome to the Cheap and Easy Cooking Show. What's up, my peeps? If you like my content, please share and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single episode. On today's episode, we'll be making cheese stuffed potato cakes. The main ingredient, of course, is potatoes. These potatoes are already pre-cooked. They just came out, they're very hot. I'm just taking the skin off. I did not peel them. I cooked them in the microwave, believe it or not. I cooked them for about 7 minutes. Okay, I got all the peels off. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter. I'm also gonna add a little bit of salt. I love this pink Himalayan salt. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of cracked pepper. And then I'm gonna give that a good mix. And what you wanna do is you will actually wanna let these potatoes cool down, because if not, it's gonna cook the egg. And this, I didn't have any breadcrumbs handy, so I had some sourdough left over from a previous video. I put them in the air fryer, left them sitting there for a while. They got nice and dry. And I'm gonna go ahead and mash those right up. And I'm done. It looks something like this. You can't beat fresh breadcrumbs. And I'm gonna dump those breadcrumbs right into the potato mixture. And I'm also gonna go ahead and crack 2 eggs. And I'm gonna give that a good mix. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it with the fork I have handy and fold in those breadcrumbs. With my pan pre-warmed and oiled, I got some of the mixture. I made a little patty like this. I'm gonna put a piece of cheese in there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put more mixture right on top. And this reminds me of making hamburgers. So I'm gonna make a little patty right there. And I'm gonna gently place that into the hot oil. Looks marvelous. Now here's my first flip with a potato cake. Doesn't take that long to cook. Potatoes are already pre-cooked. You're just really cooking the egg. And this is what it looks like. Perfect caramelization. It looks awesome. But we're gonna go ahead and dress this up a little bit. We're gonna add some sour cream. We add some diced green onions. You can add some more cheese on top if you'd like. It's your preference. You can actually put more cheese in there as well. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up and take a bite. I think I will add more cheese after this bite. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's show. Please consider subscribing and join us for the next episode. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.